In front of me is Oppo A2X, and today I would like to show you how you can resize phone. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll down again and click on Font. Now you can finally operate this font size slider in order to adjust it and check out preview above. Lastly, hit apply at the bottom. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!